What is AWS Big Data? AWS Big Data refers to Amazon Web Services' suite of services and tools designed to help businesses manage and analyze large volumes of data efficiently and cost-effectively in the cloud. It includes various services such as Amazon EMR, Amazon Redshift, Amazon Athena, and Amazon Kinesis, among others, which enable organizations to store, process, analyze, and visualize data at scale. Topics: Big Data on AWS Introduction. AWS Big Data Collection Services. AWS Big Data Storage Services. AWS Big Data Processing Services. Analysis. Visualization. Security.